I'm not trying to make a cute, fancy video because frankly, I just don't know how. But I'm baking a cake in the air fryer because I can't seem to get my oven to turn on. So look at this. Got my cake mix here. It's hard trying to do this with one hand. I'm coming back. Okay, I got this ready and it's going in this air fryer. Okay, it's on 350 and I'm gonna put it on, come on God, don't embarrass me, maybe 10 minutes since it's an air fryer. Okay, I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay. This is what happened, y'all. I took the top off. I made some cream cheese. Some cream cheese frosting. I'm fucking the top up. Yep, being a fat ass. Nobody told me. Google said I can do it, and y'all know we believe everything on Google. The top is good. I'm gonna eat it with this frosting. Okay, don't try what I did. Bye.